Guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing an organization vlog today. I have a lot to do around the house, especially my closet, and I wanted to do that with you. Also, we're gonna do some shopping because I haven't hit up the stores in a while and I just was craving a little haul. I found the girls a lot of stuff and I'm so excited to share that with you. It is definitely like bow season, spring. It's just the cutest things out right now, lots of pink. So we're gonna do that together today and I hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. I also wanted to let you know I have another channel for my podcast, Pink Brew Podcast. If you haven't seen any episodes, definitely go on the other channel. There's going to be a new upload, new episode. It's all about motherhood. I can't wait to share that with you. And I just wanted to keep the content separate. So for those of you that do want to listen and just tune in to a different type of vibe, girl talk, sitting down, coziness, it's definitely a feel good. So I hope you enjoy it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe now and I'm going to roll right in. We are going to start with skincare. Been loving this BeautyBio and I have a coupon code in my description. The gel cream is so nice on the skin. So the Glossier, this is the Future Dew serum. I've been really liking this too, so I'm going to go in with that. Then the BeautyBio, I use this on my eyes. It's an eyeliner concentrate and I love the wand. I know I've talked about it before in my videos, but this is so nice in the mornings. And today's going to be a shopping day / organization, clean the house. So I'm really excited about today's video because I've had my podcast that I've been editing. So I don't know if I've told you guys on this channel yet, I have actually switched my podcast, Pink Brew, to its own channel. So if you have not yet subscribed, go to subscribe there. I do giveaways on there and I'm going to be doing more giveaways on there as well. But the next episode is going to go up Sunday. I don't know if this video is going up Saturday or Sunday. Tune in. This episode is all about motherhood. Chantel and I both have kids and we just really opened up about everything. Love everything that we have gone through, having toddlers. And also we definitely, it's a more emotional episode. So, which is why I wanted to start the podcast in the first place. It's just like, even if I had 10 people, 20 people that can just go to it and get something out of it where it's just a feel good and are just, you know, coming to our channel just for some real girl talk. I find it's hard to do on Instagram and even my channel here because it's basically dedicated to lifestyle content. So podcast is obviously very different, which is why we started it on Spotify too. So if you guys are running or exercising or just like listening to it in your car, I wanted it to be a really nice vibe. I love the setup. We had pillows and just, it was so cozy and that's exactly what I wanted the vibe to be like. So let me know what you think of the new setup. I love this cream. It's so gentle and lightweight. And I've also been in love, I've got my makeup case right here with this YSL, these Shine lipsticks. They're so nice and nourishing. I'm like obsessed with those. And with the BeautyBio, these are the Bright Eye, the depuffing and brightening eye gels, which I love these. They are so nice in the morning. To do a little bit more skincare, I will. I can't see. Like cooling, I've been loving. And anything depuffs, that's why I really recommend having a mini fridge that you can do that with because it just makes everything feel so much more nice when you're putting it on. Okay, these have been on for 10 minutes. I'm going to take them off. I'm going to go in with Kylie's, this is the skin tint that I just bought. I cannot hold anything right now. I'm gonna have to have another coffee soon. It's like one of those days. Like not resetting as much as I want to, and I find it so important to do that before you burn yourself out. Just going in with this chrome brush that I have. Not enough coverage for me, I think, unless I put more on. Go in with the Doll10 Foundation and then also Rare Beauty's setting spray, which I just really like this for like a hydrator. Really happy with this video today because I've been wanting to organize and kind of revamp my closet space, which is also my glam room, my own personal space, which you don't really get when you have children. They will want this room. Like they are in here all the time. Sophia is like a little makeup queen. She's always getting into my makeup, hiding my makeup. I have a bunch of new PR that I got and I'm like, where did it go? And she had it, of course. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'm gonna come back on here and we're gonna do some shopping. Got back from HomeSense, wanted to quickly show you my little haul. I got this really cute bow basket. This is for the girls' laundry. These are, I'll start with the garbage cans, which I thought were so cute. Two, there's one in the inside with pink and white, and I just think that's adorable. This I really love too, because it's so hard to find a scallop tray, and especially an affordable one. This was 20 bucks, and like, look how pretty that is. I also got some treats for Max, so got those two. And then the girls' Easter baskets from last year are a little bit too small, so I ended up going with these, which are so cute. Love the colors, and thank goodness they had two, because I have to get the same ones, obviously, or else it's going to cause an argument. And yeah, really, really cute. Other thing I got were these two rugs. So I love these. They're always at HomeSense, but I like these ones because they're just flat, and they're really nice to have around the house. My dress in for Chantel's wedding. Look how pretty this is. It's a long yellow dress. I never wear yellow, but it's gonna be a destination wedding, so it's gonna be hot, and I just feel like this is such a nice color with a tan. Good morning. I am having my coffee right now, what's left of it. Today is an organization day. I just feel like around the house it has been chaos. It's been crazy. I have so much laundry to do today, and I always try to do just everything on the weekend, just so I can start the week fresh and things are clean and organized. Today we are doing my closet space. We're also doing other areas in the house. I need to conquer the laundry room. I'm gonna be working in here because I wanted to get my makeup, skincare, just everything organized with you. So I have a lot of new inserts that I bought, a lot of new makeup organizers, and I'm really excited. So we are going to roll right in. The Kylie skin tint. I really want to try this because I want something really lightweight when I'm just going out for quick errands. Like today I have to go get a birthday present with the girls, going to tomorrow. So yeah, it's just nice having something really, really lightweight that's almost like a tinted moisturizer. With the rest of my foundations, just right back here. So much room in the back. Like I could technically put a lot more, but I only have so many foundations. I also have all my wallets in just these little organizers. I'm kind of trying to find something new and different, kind of like a jewelry organizer I was thinking. But I'll see what I can find in stores. Put in my scallop tray, brand new. I love this thing. It's so pretty. A nice price too. We're just going to decorate. I love bangles. They make for really nice decor as well. Like if you're dressing up a beauty space or a glam room. Blush too is like by far the prettiest blush I've ever seen in my life. Make Me Blush color. And again, I kind of wish it was like a lighter shade of pink. Like I'm not sure what that looks like on the skin, but this packaging, so worth it, so pretty. I get so scared and nervous to use things like this, but she's pretty. My house is never quiet in the morning, but I got these little scoopers. They're in gold, so we've got two of these, and I basically just wanted them for little candy scoopers, but you could use them in your pantry. So cute. I know I'll get asked on which I am obsessed. You guys know I love syrups, but look at these pumps. They're gorgeous. Amazon. But I got this acrylic holder and I am so in love with it. You can do like I think this is actually for to-go cups, which I don't have, but I'm like, how perfect would it be for my syrups in here? I also got the other day this 5-minute journal. Look at like the floral vibes, which I feel like are so in right now. Everything Love Shack fancy, am I right? So right here, it's got like daily affirmations, highlights of the day, what I learned today, what I'm grateful for. And then I've just got makeup everywhere. We are gonna just organize. And I got this the other day, this Kylie Cosmetics blush. It's not Zen right here. Like, look at this. My stands right here for my perfume, my skincare, but this one I have right here is new, so I'll leave a link, but look how cute this is. I want to get one for the girls' bathroom. I think it's so great for storage. It's pink and white, holds all your makeup, or you can like display makeup, which I kind of did right here with my Glow Recipe products, which these are actually going to go into my shower conditioner, but I just put them here for now. Humanizers from Rare Beauty are just so perfect for decor and just like having out displaying. I love when makeup is really pretty and you can just display it so beautifully. And then down here, we've got my little hair clips. Right here, I've just got my mirror and then my beautiful florals that I had made from Luna. And then right here, we just have some stuff like lip oil products and Tatcha. This is the Kiss You lip mask and flower nose in here. So many questions on my pearl hangers. So this is from Amazon. I will leave a link for you. They are the cutest. And they're like the perfect bow too. Like even if you do it yourself, I couldn't do it like that. All my pant hangers right here, which you can get from just like Marshall's. Drawers right here, I haven't put anything in them yet, which I'm really excited to. I think I'm gonna do like new products, things that I grab for, nice little organizers. And these were like 20 bucks at Marshall's. So both sides. Jewelry in the center here, which I'm not a huge jewelry girly. Like I definitely love the permanent bracelets, which I have, but other than that, I don't really wear a lot of jewelry, so I definitely just have a little thing going on for display. And then my mini totes, which you know I love so much. This is like the perfect little holder. Look, it has the keychains and then the mini bags right here, which I love. It looks like a little store. Fragrances, we've got some books, which I just think kind of makes this area and a little bit of everything if you're trying to dress a space like this. Right here we have my brush organizer. I love acrylic, you know. I've never understood why acrylic things are so expensive, but they definitely display so nicely. I love visually being able to see everything. So for brushes, I definitely love something see-through because obviously I love my brushes. They're so beautiful to look at. All done at the kitchen. So nice to have a clean kitchen. Now going to go in the laundry room and conquer that. Laundry's like never ending. Not sleeping in their beds and that, you know, a few months where they stayed in their own bed. Then it was
Even drive to work. My motion sickness was like something was up, and I had to tell them.
I've got all this stuff that I just got in. I had my Ipsy bag. Arrived yesterday with my new brush and just so much PR that I've gotten. So I'm going to put it all in a container for now and try to put everything away. Also got a bunch of things the other day at Winners. So let me show you guys. It's for my kitchen right here. It's the Martha Stewart. These are awesome. For the home. I put them like everywhere. So I went to Pottery Barn Kids. I literally just went in to go look quick and get out. But I found these for the girls for Easter, which are so cute. They already saw them. They're like, can we put them on? Can we put them on? I'm like, no, you have to wait. Like, I want this. This is so stinking cute. I want to do like a full photo shoot day. I used to do that all the time with the girls when they were young. Or now as they get older because they get bored. But I try. I also got this package from Maybelline and it's so cute. There's a little treat in here too, which I'm going to give to the girls obviously. But right here it's their Teddy tints, which they've got some really pretty colors. I'm definitely a nude girl, so this one's so pretty. But the consistency of these are so smooth and lightweight. Love it. Like so many brands have been putting candy in their packages. I'm like, that's such a great idea. A little just treat. so that was today's video. I always forget to do an outro, but I wanted to just thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the love. Make sure you leave a comment. And if you guys want to check out Pink Brew, we will have a new episode on Sunday. And I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Very small.